Okay, this is Raymond. I'm just doing a recap for today. So I traded for Apple this morning. So in the beginning, I saw it went up, and then on the way pull back, I tried to went long for break of half day, but then it just failed to do it. So then I just got out at break even. And then on the way down, it touched this moving average, and then on the way up, I think it's a pullback, so I went long again here, but then I get to stop out at this moving average. So because I saw that on the 5-minute chart it did a double top here, so I flipped my position on this 9 EMA, and I just put my stop loss right above this moving average, and my profit target was here, so the risk and rewards is very good. So I got out when it dropped down to this moving average, and I got some more, and on my profit target I got most of it out. So and then I saw seems like it's holding this level, so I on the way up I sold everything here, and then I did my last trade, which I saw it touched this moving average, and I just put my stop loss here, and and my profit target was at this 200 EMA, so the risk and reward is very good. So I got some profit out here, got some more around this level, and then I got most of it out at my profit target, which is the 200 EMA on the 1-minute chart. And on the way up, I just took it all out. So made a bit of profit. So that's it for today. Thank you.